Heard one of our committee members was making a few moves today. He's Bill Baruch, some fresh buys in tech, which is why he is joining us now. It's good to see you. So you bought more Apple, right? You trimmed it late July. Why now? Taking advantage of this pullback, I suspect.
Yeah. Thanks for having me on, Judge. 10% from where we sold it. It's moving down pretty good into, I like to look at the broader market right now, too, as a measured downside from where we've seen here this sell-off. You talked about PayPal earlier in the segment, and who's eating PayPal's lunch is Apple. They're eating into that with Apple Wallet right now. I think their diversification of revenue streams is getting a little unnoticed, and then spreading into emerging market economies is definitely something, too.
Another A is on your list. You sold Adobe on July 27th, but now you've bought it back.
Yeah. We're actually buying it back roughly where we sold it. This stock has held up extremely well through all of this volatility. We're doing a couple marketing projects with outsourced marketing companies, and everybody's using Figma. I like where Adobe's positioned across the space and creativity. But momentum behind this name has done really well, too.
And lastly, a name that Josh knows very well, and he can opine on it after I bring it up, Oracle, the new buy. Why?
Yeah, Oracle's a new stock we haven't owned, and it's done tremendous this year. They're arguably one of the top earnings beats this year. Have done well since that June report. Have held really well out above there. I'm trying to find the companies that have done really well in earnings this year. Maybe not Apple so much, but and I think the momentum will be there. I'm looking again that measured downside when this rate of change in the bond market stops. I think that we're going to see tech be able to start moving higher, and I want to own the leadership.
Josh, Oracle?
I like the stock. I sold it right around here. It's not a stock that I've taken off my radar. I continue to follow it. I'd probably get more interested on the next breakout. I think it's in for some consolidation. This is a stock that's made a huge move. It went from being one of the cheapest large cap tech. Now it's a 37 PE. It's among the more expensive, deserved because they've been executing. But I probably want to buy this with more of a technical catalyst. But I do think Bill will make money here.
Yeah, up 40+% year to date. Brian Belsky.
Huge balance sheet, great cash flow monster. We've owned it in our value portfolio for 5 years and now tactical for the last 12 or 18 months. It's got the best database in the world in terms of information, so of course it's going to be a great AI play.
All right. Hey, Bill, appreciate it very much. Appreciate you keeping us up on what's going on. We'll talk to you soon. That's Bill Baruch joining us with his new moves.